and then just do your settings. I use square, which is 2000 or 2000 by 2000 another thing. So I just name it wedding invitation. Wedding invitation flyer or card. Yes, wedding invitation card. So settings are okay. We are not going to print it. So RGB color and green. The background I created was the white background like that, and then we started with the name. If you look at it, yes, we started with the name first, then side word fee, then the date before the details. So we are just going to design maybe with a new name. Yes. Today being 18th of November, one of my brothers is getting married, and where I am, I couldn't attend. So let me use his name to just create something for him. So just let's make the name right. So you copy and paste it nicely. So let's paste it. So you do all your adjustments. Good. Then the next name, right? MrsAsante. Then let's get this text. Then bring it down. Double click it and then you paste it. Then let's change this text to something different. I guess it's better. I think we need to still change maybe open and set. Let's change the caps very well. To reduce letter comes or then place it underneath the bright. I think we need to enlarge the bright. Yes, let's enlarge it. Nice. Perfect. So let's reduce it. Just adjustment it. Be the one that will match your way. Let's bring the lady's name. Comfort Asari. They copy the bride, duplicate it and bring it down. Press the Alt and then you drag it down for it to duplicate. Double click it and then paste it. Better. Then go and copy the name as Asari. Copy it. And then duplicate and then paste it nicely like that. Perfect. 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 I think we need to increase this side. I think 160 is okay. And drag it easily. Bring it down. Then this should come down. Increase the VR. Let's see if the 100 will be okay. I think 100 is okay. Then let's see the words. Perfect. I think let's use maybe, let's check if we can get on smart so we can use a nice one for it. Let's change it to black and see. Black is better. and then let's increase the size and close this side 0. Perfect. Then we drew a nice line. A nice line like this. Perfect. Let's change the color to something that's visible. I think this is okay. Or let's go and check the colors we use here. I think, yeah, we are still using the same colors. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So we get rid of the middle lines from the words we see clearly. So just rasterize this. Rasterize it. Then you pick this MM2 and you just select in between and press delete keyboard for it. Delete it. Perfect. Then Control D to deselect. Now the names. Let's pick this bright and then MrsAsante. Then we drag it, bring it down a bit. Then let's group that one. Yes. Then pick this name and then the other name as well. Sorry. You deselect the middle one, then Control G to group them. So this becomes the man's name. So you can call it 1. Then this becomes the female's name, so you call it 2. Perfect. So the 2 should go up a bit. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then the date. So this and this 2 should be grouped. So you call this 3. Then the date. Date is 18th November. Today. Guys, it pains me a lot that I couldn't attend my brother's wedding. Wherever he is, wherever they are, my congratulations to them in advance. And he has made the family proud. We love you so much, bro. Then this will come down. And let's change the color to something good. Perfect. Something that color. That color. Then we do some lines. Let's go and duplicate this line. Okay, so we can create our own. Bring it like this. Let's pick the color. The stroke was no fill. Sorry, yes, the inner fill was no fill. The stroke was maybe color like this. And give the stroke size like 10. Let's see. That's nice, nice, nice. Exactly what we are looking for. So we'll cut some of the edges away. So rasterize the shape and then cut some of the edges away. Perfect. I think so. We need to cut some away. So we press on the rectangular marking, which is M. Press the M to activate it, and then still cut more away. I think this is okay. Yeah, this might be okay. It seems okay. So this, then let's put more together. This becomes number 4. Good. So with 4 and 1 selected, 4 being highlighted, press shift and come and click on the 1. So it's to select everything. Press Ctrl G, everything. Then you can name it, or this is how it Then we are going to draw our, let's center and line. Good. Then let's draw our ellipse tool. Pick the rectangle tool and then pick the ellipse tool. Perfect. And then choose the color bit. And then draw, sorry, we are going to choose fill, no fill, let the stroke pick this. And let's give it like 10, will be somewhere, okay. Then we draw a nice ellipse like this. Or better so we can give it the full fill. Yeah. Let's center and align it. Good. Then we are going to pick thank you for honoring our invitation. And control hit copy. Then press on C to activate the text tool. Then click here. Now then let's paste them into it. Control V to paste it. Perfect, 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 perfect. So we have this. What I did was that I will duplicate the whole thing again, this thing again. Control J to duplicate, and then select it, and then turn it like this. Duplicate again, then turn it. Then let's see. Sorry. The duplicate one, the copied one. We are going to pick this one rather, yes. So bring the ellipse back, and then pick this, and then turn it like this. Good. And then duplicate it again. Control G. Then come and pick the last one. Then let's rotate it. Rotate it well. Good. I think I'm having the exact thing we did. I think so. Let it go small. Good. Then we have to hide the ellipse, and then good. Hide the ellipse, and then draw another small ellipse. Create a layer, then pick. Then let's draw a nice ellipse. Give it the same color. Then remove the stroke to be 0. Then we drew a nice one. Perfect. Just use the arrow keys to adjust. Then you are there. Create another. Perfect. I think that's perfect, exactly. And then you create another layer, and then draw another one. And use the arrow key to adjust it. Good. So this is what we did. So in all, we can group all of them together. So let's delete it. Then we call this one into another group and call it, let's say, curves. Yes, they are the curve details. Yes. Then this becomes the main details. Yes. Then this becomes the background. So guys, then I think after that I added certain details like this QR code. So guys, this is basically how to design this beautiful awesome wedding invitation card for any client. Yes, for any client who call you that needs maybe a beautiful wedding invitation card and you have no idea or concept about how to go about, then you can design this beautiful for your clients. Once again, big up to my brother, right? Asante. We grew up together in the same village, in the same town, in the same city. We all went to the university, we all went to high schools, separate high schools, we went to separate universities. Then he has been so inspiration and a big brother to me. Congratulate you once again for your wedding. I couldn't attend it. I'm sorry because of where I am, because of some petty jobs. So a trip has taken me to a place where I couldn't attend your wedding today, but wherever I am, I can do something to support you. So, bro, congratulations in advance and see you maybe next 2 weeks or this Christmas time. So, guys, thank you for watching and coming back to my channel to watch. If this seems interesting to you, then I'll urge you to like, comment, then let's take it from there. I'll see you in the next tutorial. See you again. Bye.